how to verify your Upwork account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can verify your Upwork account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their website, upwork.com, and I'm going to go ahead and log in into my account because I already have one. And I'm going to go ahead and click on login, and my account is already verified. So I'm just simply going to show you how you can verify your account. And once you've logged in over here, right, this is how Upwork looks like, right? Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Let's go over to our account settings over here. We'll just go ahead and visit our profile, and here if you come down over here, if you actually up the top, you can see I have the verified option. This freelancer's identity has been verified through the government ID check and visual verification. All right, it's actually very simple. It does take a little bit of time to actually go ahead and complete it, but once you've done that, you should be good to go. So if you come over here to verify yourself, usually it'll say a banner at the top that'll say like, identity not verified, please verify your identity or something like that, right? So to do that, go into your account settings. Here you will see you have your identity verification set option right here. If you click on it, you'll see you have these options right here. So appear on camera to show us if it's really you. Take an automatic selfie or join the video chat, right? Both are optional. For me, it was the selfie. That was all that was needed. But for my friends or other people that actually created the account, they actually had to hop on a video chat and talk to the person and verify themselves. For me, it was just upload the image and that was it. You have to make sure that you upload the ID, right? And it matches your country and everything. Your name, your country, your bank details, it has to be in the same name. So you can't use other people's ID cards and sign up and use other people's bank account. That does not work on Upwork. You have to make sure that yourself are the one who is going to actually use your account. And then over here is going to be submit your identity review. After that, it'll take a couple of days, but you should be good to go. After that, you'll be good to go. If for some reason, there's a problem with it and they can't verify themselves, they'll start a manual review process. They'll just simply contact you again, go hop on a call and just verify yourself and you should be good to go. But yeah, again, make sure that all of your services are in your name. So if you're under 18 and you don't have an ID card, it might not work. Keep that in mind. And make sure your contact info and everything else is up to date, and your profile picture is also up to date, and using your profile picture, and it also matches on your ID card as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and sign up and create another account and hopefully show you how you can verify yourself. So to sign up onto Upwork over here, they're going to ask you join as a client or a freelancer, right? I'm going to join as a freelancer and apply as a freelancer over here. Here you can go ahead and continue with your Gmail account or upload your first name, your last name, your email address and password and country, and click on create your account, right? So you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and catch you guys in a sec. And after that, congratulations, your account has been created. After that, they'll redirect you to Upwork over here. As you can see, ready for your next big thing. They're going to ask you some questions, like over here, they're telling you about this person who is also a pretty cool freelancer. But yeah, you can be something like that or someone like this or whatever. So here you're going to go ahead and answer a few questions and start building a profile, apply for the open roles or list services or clients to buy and get paid safely, right? Pretty simple. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes and you can edit it later. So click on begin. A few questions. Have you ever freelanced before? I have some experience. If not, I'm brand new. Depends on you. So I have some experience. I'm going to click on next. You can skip this as well, depends on you. So what's your biggest goal for freelancing? To make money on the side, to get experience for a full-time job? I don't have a goal in mind, so let's go ahead and select that. The first option, click on next. And how would you like to work? I like to find opportunities myself. I like to package up my work for my clients or buy. It depends on you what you want. When I created my account, there wasn't this option. There was just this option, and nor did they actually ask us these questions. But yeah, so I'm open to contract to hire opportunities, start with contract to hire and all of that. Click on next and create your profile. It's pretty simple. Next, how would you like to tell us about yourself? Over here, you can import your LinkedIn options, your LinkedIn profile. Everything that you have posted on your LinkedIn is going to be over here. All the CVs, all your accomplishments and everything. You can upload your resume over here, or you can file out everything manually. So as you can see, it's going to take some time because, it's quite a long process. But yeah, select the categories that you're most familiar with. So let's say, for me, I'm mostly design creatives, right? Here, I'm going to be video animations or video editor. And once you've selected them, just simply click on next, add to your skills, and you can add your skills over here: animation, video editing, right? Video animation, we've already added that, but yeah, you can add up to 15 skills, but depends on you. After that, click on next. And over here, how to add tell the world a little bit about yourself. So your professional role is going to be over here. So video editing, something like that. I'm just filling this out. And over here, if you have relevant work and experience, add it over here. If you have one, you can upload it over here. You can add the title, the company, and everything. If not, you can skip for now and click on add your education. Here, fill out your school, degree, field of study, dates attended from, and describe from where. So I'll just say 2014 to 2016 actually, or just skip for now and move on. And you can actually add all of these things later, by the way. So over here, English, and I'll add my own language as well. I am native and bilingual. I'll add one more. There we go. After that, just simply click on next and write your intro. Here is your bio. Here, something like this would look good. I am a developer experienced in building websites for small and medium-sized businesses. Whether you're trying to win work, list your services, or create an online store, I can help you. So something like this, they're giving you a preview of what you should add into your overall bio. So make sure you add something concise, something simple. For my other profile, it's actually quite the opposite. I haven't updated it in a while. So if I show you, so you can see it's quite long. I do need to update it a little bit, but it still gets the job done. So I'll just copy a little bit over here and just paste it over here. And then click on next and set your rates. So over here, since the beginning, it depends on you how much you want. But yeah, anything between $7 to $10, maybe even $20. Depends on the type of work you do, but you'll know how much you want to add. So I'll just add 7 as of right now and click on add next. Then next, all you got to do is upload your profile picture, date of birth, your city, your state, your province, all of the phone numbers and everything. And once that's done, you are good to go. After that, they'll basically contact you. And after that, your verification process will begin, which I showed you over here in the account settings right here. Here we go. After that, you can go ahead and verify your identity and you should be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.